Hey beauties and cuties, hey cuties and beauties. Yes, it's your girl Monty's Life featuring beauty. And as if you could tell by the thumbnail, we're going to open up some stuff that I done got. I done blew out all my snot. Hopefully I got out all my coughing. But, like coughing, I ain't even gonna start. But, I love this e.l.f. box. It's a beautiful coral color. And they got a rip tab. Let's see. What everybody does, ASMR. Okay, and I wanted to open up this one first because I just got out the shower. I have applied moisturizer everywhere but my face. So that should tell you that I done got some skincare. Oh, it's like breaking into Fort Knox in this box. And before I continue, I'd like to thank Rebel and Miss Nutty for, you know, checking up on the girl, being concerned. And Rebel, I hope you're doing well. I've seen you, girl, being all fancy. But, let's dig into this box. The first thing I'm going to pull out is this wonderful Skin Hit Kit. It is cannabis sativa derived, so you know it's 420 friendly without the side effects. And I'm glad I picked this up first so I could put it on. And also, right now I checked e.l.f.'s website yesterday and it is sold out. So since it's sold out, you know they will. I'm sure they'll restock it, but I'm probably having a hard time talking because my lips is Sahara Desert Dry. And the first item that you do get is a full-size Calm Balm. Oh, that's cute little nice fancy packaging. I don't smell anything. Nice and smooth. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's nice. That's nice. That's real nice. And up next, you get, the rest are all trial sizes. You get the Happy Hydration Clear Hydration Cream. Lord, I'm telling you, these germs gotta leave me because I can't even. But, yeah, I have nothing on this face and it gets awfully dry. It gets awfully dry. So how are you beauties and cuties doing? You know, I'm happy to still be here, be alive. You know, despite what's going on in this world. The sad things that's going on. You know. But we got to keep going while we're here. So when our time is up, we'll be remembered for the good and not the bad. Oh. But this hydration cream is good. And before I move along with the rest of the products in here, I would like to shout out, I wrote you guys down, some new beauties and cuties to the family. We have our lot. We have Kazimotas. And we have Anna Knight. And the other one who I mispronounced her name is Tresha. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you, as always, for glowing with me and growing with me. Now, since I already have some hydration on my face, next up what you get in the kit is the Puff Puff Primer. I guess it's for, yeah, for before your makeup. And you also get All the Feels facial oil. Now that hydration cream, it doesn't have a scent to it, which is nice. You know, you don't want to be walking around smelling like weed, you know what I'm saying? But this is a frosted glass bottle. And everything that is in here, like I just got it for trial size to see how my skin would react to it. And if my skin loves it like it loves expensive behind Tatcha, I'll reorder. But I don't know if I mean I could smell everything. I'm just all my stuff is right here, right here. But that also has no scent. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand to see if it's gonna be like a slick Rick oil or yeah, it's like a I don't know how they say oil is dry, but it doesn't have too much of a greasy feel, and it feels quite nice. Now, what else I got in this elf box is a suggestion from a nice, great, famous YouTuber, which is Juicy Jazz, which is the elf tapes. Like if you want that sharp, you could cut a mother with, with your outer corner, when you do your eyeshadows. These were only $3. The skin hit kit, I believe, was $15. And this last skincare kit, oh, well, I didn't expect for it to be this big. No, what the heck is in here? And this is my very first time. I've always bought Elf at like Walmart and Target and, Rite Aids and stuff like that. This is my very first ordering from them online. So, oh, okay. I had ordered, these two also came in a set. I expected for these to be travel sized, but here they are in all their full glory. And I'm going to wait to use these because I'm going to use that up first. And I also have the Glam Glow cleanser from my BoxyCharm that I'm trying to use up. So I'll keep you guys posted when I do open those. I'm going to show you my 2 free gifts, which was Beautifully Bare Smooth Matte Eyeshadow. I got the shades Nude Linen and Soft Beige. Make great, probably eyeshadow primers. But these two were free. And I noticed that when they always are offering free gifts when you order over $25, and their free gifts do switch up. So I don't even know if these are still available as far as free gifts, but that's that. But this next item, plural. Hold on, I'll be right back. Y'all know my pause game. Y'all know my pause game. Okay, I'm back. Now, you guys know, as you can see, yes, those are all unopened Shop Miss A. Okay? So we got a lot to go through. Not today, but got a whole bunch of that. And y'all know me. I love affordable makeup. I did get all 8 of the e.l.f. Bite Size Shadows. And if you know by my face, you know one has busted open. Yep. It's the Cream and Sugar palette, which is going to be, I'm sure everybody's saying it's wildly popular because it is a neutral palette. So I will be contacting customer service about that. I mean, they were wrapped in these great bubble wrap. And they did have, just a little bit of worms at the bottom. So I'm sure with the heavier items, bumping and shifting, that just tells you how softly pressed these shadows are. But the rest of them are fine. That is quite upsetting. I'm going to see if I can repress that. But there's Hot Jalapeno. Everybody been hating on Acai U. It's not pigmented enough. It's not this and it's not that. Well, try another way. This is this rose water? Yep, this is rose water. And we got Carnival Candy. And we got, is this Truffles? Yep, this is Truffles. And also, this is Pumpkin Pie. Now, that is that. Oh, shit. Sorry. Apologize, y'all. Let me just leave them right there, because Go. Look, eyeshadow. Bye. Oh, damn. Okay, good thing I got some handy dandy Dollar Tree wipes. And these are just, to me, these are good for swatching videos, because I've tried to use these Dollar Tree wipes to take off some, you know, industrial strength makeup, and that makeup was like, I don't know what you think you doing by putting water on us, but we ain't going nowhere. Okay, now let's get into Juvia's Place. Please, moment of silence. Nothing's broken. Please. Here. Tell you, I hate being sick because I don't got my mind together, but let's pull these beautiful babies out. They say good things come in small packages. So, what we have here, I couldn't resist. I got them all. Got all of the 4 Juvia's Place mini palettes. Every color story in each and every one of these spoke to me. They said, Monty, you know you got to add this to your collection, because if you don't, you're going to regret it. So I bought them. I don't know if you guys want to see me swatch or do a look with these. Please let me know. I mean, I know I'm late to the game because there are a whole bunch of videos up about these, and I do love the packaging. It is gorgeous. I don't know. Should I swatch? I mean, I'm going to wait on the e.l.f. ones because I'm kind of upset with them. And we only 12 minutes in. I'm going to swatch the violets and the nudes. Hold on, let me y'all know what it is. Y'all know. Okay, first up, the palette we're going to swatch is the nudes, because I wanted to know how these shades would look against my skin tone. I know a lot of them are just, probably aren't going to even show up. It does come with a plastic slip to protect the shadows. So let's get to swatching. I'm going to swatch the top row, then the bottom row. There are no names on these shades, so if you're feeling extra creative, name them yourself. Okay. Oh. They have like they're soft, but a little bit dry feeling, the shimmers, but the mattes, they glide like silk. Yeah, the shimmers, like, they do feel a little bit grainy, but I'm sure that's due to the glitter. Oh, there wasn't even nothing on that finger. Oh, I need more sleep, but there they go. The 3 shades. I was like, wait a minute now. And I'm sure some of these shades will make great highlighters. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't know. How you guys doing? And I don't know. My mind is just everywhere, here and there, and nowhere at all. But, okay. Clean offenders. Next row. Now we're going to put something on there. That's a beautiful baby salmon color, or pastel coral color. I'm really loving this camel color right here. There are those 3. These are probably going to make good setting shades for me, but yeah, I can most definitely use that as a transitional color and possibly even a bronzer. But they are beautiful shades. I am not going to lie. I am happy that I was able to purchase them. And if it sounds like a tornado just blew through, it's because my heat just came on. I live in a place where we damn near live in Antarctica, and we get below zero temperatures up here. So it is what it is. I need some heat on. All right, up next, we're going to swatch the beautiful Violets palette. Violets palette. That's odd. Say that 5 times fast. They do have magnetic closures. I do like the fact that they do fold back all the way. And my hand is slightly damp, so I'm going to... Oh, I thought that was more eyeshadow from the cream and sugar palette from e.l.f. But I'm just drying my hand on my pants. You know the drill. Top row, bottom row. Yep, it's completely dry. Fingertips are dry. Let's start with the first finger. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's see. Okay. That shade right there. I mean, yes, the last, like, navy purplish shade is a bit patchy, but they're just swatches. I'm sure that will perform differently on eyeshadow primer and on the lid. Just trying, you know, just trying to live, just trying to live. All right, last row. Just want to make sure my hand is completely dry, because we know how people be cheating with wet swatches, okay? 1, 2, 3. I've seen a lot of people complain about this shade and, you know, these last 2 shades. But let's see how they do. Oh, yes. Oh, my gosh. And the problematic child, I can see why it's problematic. Because, let's see. You really got to dig in that one. I'm going to even try a do swatch. Yeah. I can see why. But the rest of them was alright. So, 1 bad apple out of 6 is not bad. But beauties and cuties, that's the end of this unboxing. That's the end of this one. I gotta get these. I gotta go back because I had these in order, but then they just kept coming in and I lost track. So I'm gonna have to go through the tracking number, because I really like to, you know, unbox my Shop Miss A in the orders in which the way that I ordered them. So yeah. Oh, y'all thought that was it? Y'all thought that was it over there? There's 6 up there. So I will be happy, more than happy, for the next few days to show you guys what's up with Shop Miss A. But I'm sorry, I know I'm all over the place, but that shade and that shade right there, this one. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love with the shadows. All right, well, beauties and cuties, that's the end of this one. And you know, if you watch me, you know what I want you to do. You know what I want you to do. I want you to have a blessed day and not a stressed day. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.